Since Valentine's Day is around the corner,
Gobble asked its favorite couple to share our top at-home date ideas for the Valentine's Day. So here are our top 3 ideas that will easily transform your normal boring living room to a date night scenario.
The point is that you should have fun.
We started by moving our furniture around so we have more space to work with. We also rotated our sofa to be directly under the fan.
There are multiple ways to make an indoor tent. You can use your furniture or doors.
We tied 2 queen-size bed sheets to our fan using a nada because they're good at holding knots. Also make sure you don't turn on your fan during this setup. नहीं तो आप चदरों के टोर्नेडो में फंस जाओगे. Then we opened our sofa cum bed so we could camp here all night.
Which reminds me, nap time.
Anyway, you can also do this with some mattresses on the floor.
एक बार टेंट की बेसिक शेप मिल जाए, anchor the bed sheets with pillows and cushions. इससे आपकी टेंट की शेप इंटैक्ट रहेगी.
Then we took some clothespin and attached both our sheets from the back.
Now we took a sheer sari and passed it through the loop. And we used all 6 yards of the fabric to create layers inside the tent and also to create a sort of entryway.
शेयर साड़ी की जगह बेड शीट्स या दुपट्टा भी यूज कर सकते हो.
Now it's time to layer the whole thing up with blankets, cushions, sheets and duvets.
You can use whatever you have handy for this part. We decided to put our fairy lights on the outside of our tent to create a diffused ambient light inside. This helped in setting the camping mood.
Camp night is not really a camp night if you don't have s'mores and a bonfire.
But हमें बिल्डिंग में आग नहीं लगानी थी, so we made do with this DIY.
We put some pebbles in a ceramic pot and used some foil to create a bowl.
Top it with some coals and light it up when you're ready to roast.
Along with the crackers, marshmallows and milk chocolate, we decided to experiment with some guava and strawberry chocolates as well.
Lastly, we put some wine out with a small cheese platter, so we could talk about how every cheese tasted the same after a few glasses of wine. For the second setup, we opened our sofa cum bed in the direction of our TV.
You can do this setup without a sofa cum bed as well. Put your mattress against your sofa or wall and start there.
Now back to our setup. A single layered foam mattress is just not good enough when you have to sit for hours at a stretch.
So take all your duvets, blankets, bed sheets, pillows and cushions out and start layering up.
A movie date needs to have ambient lighting.
And I'm obsessed with fairy lights.
After putting fairy lights everywhere, it was time for food and drinks. But first, we had to choose a movie.
So we both wrote down our top choices and decided to pick a chit.
As an activity for us to do together, we assembled a little cocktail bar all set to make pina coladas. We used hollowed out pineapples as glasses.
You can of course choose any activity which you enjoy with your partner.
We also put together a hummus platter for us to munch along while we watch our movie.
We love options, so we did a basic hummus and a spicy red pepper hummus along with 2 types of nachos, potato discs and some veggies.
You can do a hummus platter, chips and dips, or popcorn and candy. This is the best part about home movie nights.
If you want to go all out, you can rent a projector for the day.
In the corner of my best friend's sofa, something about you feels so special. Pretty awkward from the minute that I met you.
You might have seen this space in our vertical garden video. We decided to transform our balcony for our third setup by moving our potted plants and other stuff out.
We live in a typical Mumbai building, which means हर घर के balcony से 50 और घर दिखते हैं.
So the next step was to create a privacy screen. We used 2 sarees for this effect. We feel like fairy lights are an essential and they make every space you put them in more warm, welcoming and romantic.
And my obsession didn't help.
We had an electric grill, so we set that up on our table. आप इसकी जगह इंडक्शन या तंदूर भी यूज कर सकते हो.
To create some seating, we hung a small swing in the balcony and put a pellet against our balcony window with a mattress on top of it.
And it was time to grill our cauliflower steaks. You don't exactly have to follow each and every step that we did. आप इसमें से कोई भी ideas लेके इनको mix and match कर सकते हो. Basically, do whatever is feasible for you at home. Your Valentine's Day can still be romantic without red roses and hearts.
But hey, you do you, honey. The idea is for you to have fun together. The setup is as much a part of the date as the date itself.
And let us know in the comments below अगर आपके पास date night के लिए कोई और ideas हैं तो.
And if you have an appetite for more such content, keep watching Gobble.